Now to a developing story overseas. At least 6 people are dead after a horrific bomb attack in a busy pedestrian.
Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Keep it simple.
Hello, welcome to today's episode of Keep It Simple with Vraj Dikshit Goda. Our special guest for today is the one and the only Rutul. I think इनके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बात करने की ज़रूरत तो है नहीं, पर he is a filmmaker, a content creator, an ideator, a music composer and a creative freak who is somehow obsessed with the number 100. अच्छा चलो, to keep it simple, we can say that Rutul sells ideas for a living. And what a profile he has built for himself by just doing that. और आज के पॉडकास्ट में हम उनसे सबसे पहले जानेंगे कि यार वो करते क्या है, वो है कौन एंड व्हाट इज हिज विजन. विल ऑल्सो चैट अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, हिज रिलेशन विद द हायर पावर एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी एंड ऑब्वियसली लॉट ऑफ अदर सब्जेक्ट्स. शायद ये बात सुन के आपको अपनी क्रिएटिविटी को एक्सप्लोर करने का इंस्पिरेशन मिल जाए. तो चलो, लेट्स स्टार्ट कीप इट सिंपल विद व्रज घोड़ा फीचरिंग रुतुल पटेल. So finally, after a lot of takes, retakes, after a lot of scheduling, rescheduling, here we are.
Yes.
Shooting this,
Absolutely.
Keeping It Simple podcast
Crazy.
with the one and only, amazingly talented, supremely, I am short of words, but he is my dear friend, a brother, and a person who I look up to, Mr. Rutul. Thank you so much, Rutul, for coming up. And very grateful that you're doing this.
Absolutely.
We'll have a fun podcast, a wonderful podcast with this genius right over here. Stay tuned and watch the full podcast. So, hi Rutul.
Hi.
Thank you so much for turning up.
Obviously.
Any thoughts?
Anytime.
Any first thoughts?
Nothing yet. I'm really excited because the flow that we've been, looking forward to. I'm really excited to talk about
ये
everything.
बताना नहीं था कि हम flow discuss कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, oh sorry.
But
Again.
नहीं, we'll continue this. No worry.
Done.
Yeah. So हमने जो flow discuss किया उसके हिसाब से you were saying something?
Yes. So very excited actually, and great that we are not going to beat around the bushes. We are directly going to go
Done.
into it, and we're going to talk about anything that you want to start with.
Yes. And so first question is, यार not beating around the bush as you said, कि भाई आप हो कौन? आप करते क्या हो यार? You are a film director, you are a content creator, you're an entrepreneur, you are a music composer now, and I don't know, you will be doing 100 different things at this particular time, and you are recording this podcast. तो आप हो कौन भाई?
I really don't want to answer that. Reason being, I don't want to find myself. Because if I do, then यार थोड़ा magic चला जाएगा ना. So that's why I just want to keep it magical for myself also. I keep switching roles. I am a real life actor. That's what you can say.
Wow.
Acting different roles at different times as per my kick, excitement, vibe, whatever you call it.
यार डर नहीं लगता इतने सारे roles एक के बाद and achieving so much in every role यार.
Not achieving, to be very honest, there are always different perspectives on it because achievement is a very materialistic definition. So
Correct.
मिलता है नहीं मिलता है, क्या मिलता है, किसको किसकी नज़र में क्या अच्छा, किसकी नज़र में क्या बुरा, वो सब अलग रहता है. But I'm constantly experimenting. So creation का satisfaction, 100%, it's more than the result, as this says.
मार्केटिंग हो गया थोड़ा, बट so ये सब ठीक है. I know who you are,
Right.
and I'm sure people listening to this podcast would know कि आप कौन हो, but आपने तो clearly आंसर पता नहीं, but it's my duty to tell who you are.
Okay.
We have seen the short video about Rutul, who Rutul is, but मेरे हिसाब से if I have to give one line about who Rutul is, he sells idea for a living. You are an ideator.
Absolutely.
In any field that you go, you will ideate, you will execute, you will do 100 different things that will blow everyone's mind. So you sell ideas for a living.
Absolutely.
So अगर you sell ideas for a living, तो the most highlight point of your career would be the 100-day 100 idea challenge with Rutul.
Yeah.
If I'm right.
Yes.
So tell us something. कुछ बताइए कि what was that?
So I had been dreaming about that since my 8th grade actually. Not exactly, there was मतलब उसका packaging prepared नहीं था, title नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था. But 8th standard में when YouTube was just growing, you know, back then 10,000 views was also like 10,000 views. It was as good as viral.
Correct.
So तब I wanted कि यार ideation के around कुछ करना है. तब cover songs वो सभी चलता था majorly
Correct.
YouTube पे.
Yeah.
Music
Yeah.
was the only thing and movie trailers.
Right.
वही दोनों चीज़ें चलती थी. तो I wanted कि यार कुछ ideas के around होना चाहिए, which is जो आजकल अभी recently it has picked up.
Correct.
Everyone is talking about finance के ideas हो गए, different niches, but everyone is talking about ideas. So
You're one of the founding members of that concept.
of founding members internally. तब execute तो नहीं किया. I executed it in during not during exactly, but before
Just
COVID.
before COVID, yeah.
So जैसे ही कोविड शुरू हुआ तब मेरा आई थिंक आई वॉज 80% चैलेंज खत्म हुआ था मेरा.
Wow.
So I started it on 1st of January 2020
Okay.
and I started shooting for it 30 days before that because I had a bank of 25 ideas because every day करना था 100 days के लिए तो I needed backup. But the idea number 57 या 60 तक तो it was like कि आज ही shoot कर रहे हैं and आज ही डालना है. So yeah, but it was very enthralling experience and काफ़ी डरावना भी था. If
Right.
so to what you asked, it was very scary actually at a point because I have कि ये problem है मेरा कि once I've committed ना I feel very guilty to back off,
Exactly.
especially in the public domain.
Exactly.
That is why I usually prefer कि मुझे for example मुझे कोई भी personal goal achieve करना हो ना I try कि मैं अपने दोस्तों को सब लोगों को बता देता हूँ कि ये करना है.
Good strategy.
Then it's hard to back off then. That works for me थोड़ा pressure zone में. But I of course vaguely timelines set करता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि यही करना है 6-pack abs बनाने ऐसा नहीं. But I want to be very fit. I put it out there. In 6 months I want to be very fit.
Okay.
So something like that. It motivates me.
But don't you think कि आपने जब ये शुरू किया, I was
Right.
watching you throughout,
Correct.
alright. But you had no experience of being a content creator.
No.
We'll talk about your life before that.
Right.
But उससे पहले weren't you scared of announcing कि मैं 100 videos बनाऊंगा on the first day? I mean, I remember your first video was about this challenge itself.
Right.
कि ये challenge का idea क्या है?
Correct,
Weren't
correct,
you
correct.
afraid about कि यार मैं 100 videos commit कर रहा हूँ?
So to be very honest, I found this very balanced solace in not knowing technicalities about something. So I'll tell you what, ऐसा नहीं कि content create नहीं किया था. Back in 2014, I made my first YouTube channel.
Okay.
That is 8 years back. 2014 in 2013.
We never knew about this.
And I really don't want people to find about that. I really don't want anyone to find out that. उस पे कुछ ही videos है. There are music videos. I made a few music videos with my friends here and there. And then वहीं से I started music making and everything. But तब जब first music video बनाया था ना, मेरे पास कैमरा था.
This was 2014.
This was 2013.
2013, okay.
2014 में लॉन्च किया था
Okay.
उसको. So 2013 में हमने वेगली उसको फर्स्ट म्यूजिक वीडियो को शूट करने के लिए आई गॉट 2 or 3 friends of mine. One of them was singer, so he sung cover version of Kabira. And we made a music video हमारी तरफ से. I had no idea कि मैं फिल्म मेकिंग में जाने वाला हूँ, कुछ नहीं. I just had a camera. This was the phase when Facebook DPs का कल्चर था.
Right.
You know, Pruthul Patel photography
Correct,
and all of that.
correct,
ये वो वाला
yeah.
ज़माना था. And I used to shoot a few pictures for my friends ऐसे ही display pictures करते थे. तो कैमरा का knowledge था basic. So we thought कि music video बनाते हैं because I was very fascinated with films and watching. I used to love watching film trailers.
Okay.
So फिर ये try किया and we released that video on 1st of January 2014. And the video hit 30,000 views. तब channel का नाम Identity रखा था. But then Identity I didn't मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा तो 1 महीने के बाद डिलीट कर दिया वो चैनल. एंड वही वीडियो दूसरी चैनल पे रखा तो तब उतने व्यूज़ नहीं आए. बट ऑब्वियस. बट देन स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली आवर सेकेंड वीडियो केम डाउन 4 months उसके बाद. फिर तीसरा वीडियो आया और 2 महीने के बाद. एंड देन 4th वीडियो फिर वहाँ से शुरू हुआ. सो नाउ द पॉइंट हियर इज कि जब फर्स्ट वीडियो बनाया, जब सब कुछ शूट हो गया था ना, फिर हम लोग पता करने निकले कि एडिटिंग क्या होता है. वी डिडंट नो एनीथिंग. कुछ पता नहीं था. मतलब एक रैंडमली एक स्टूडियो यहाँ पे थलतेज में ही है अहमदाबाद में. समीर अंकल इज़ वेरी गुड, ही इज़ ऑलमोस्ट लाइक माई गॉड फादर इन म्यूजिक एंड फिल्म मेकिंग. सो उनके वहाँ पे हम लोग रैंडमली पहुँच गए कि ऐसे है किया है ऐसा कुछ शूट तो इसको बनाना है, क्या करने का. मतलब कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. वो पासपोर्ट ऑफिस में कैसा क्लूलेस चलते हैं अपने वैसा. So I reached there. He made me meet one of his team member who knew editing. Where he helped us with the Jigar Bhai was his name, and he helped us with all the editing and everything. And then we released the first music video. So तब वो जो चीज़ हुई थी ना, तब वो example अभी तक मैं life में I keep it very dear to me that I genuinely didn't know what next, but I did not fear it. Maybe I was too immature to fear it. So उस वे में, to be very honest, अभी भी मेरी life में I'm facing this problem. Everyone is telling me, why don't you learn music? Why don't you learn music instruments? Because I don't want to. If I do, I'll start fearing. I'll start overthinking notes, technicalities, everything. Right now मेरे को सिर्फ इतना ही पता है कि ये emotionally अच्छा sound कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, और कुछ technical knowledge ही नहीं है म्यूजिक का, कुछ पता नहीं है. ये हायर स्केल लोअर स्केल बस ये कुछ थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है. ई मेजर, ई मेजर, ई माइनर, डी मेजर, कुछ समझ नहीं आता.
We'll go on the music industry थोड़ा
बाद में yes, but technically I have found solace in not knowing things.
I mean that's a very basic but a बहुत बड़ी learning है यार कि
yes,
you not knowing anything is also blessing.
Correct, absolutely.
Knowing everything is a blessing.
Absolutely, it's a big blessing.
So cutting down the chase कि जैसे हमने 100 Day Idea Challenge की बात की, you got really famous by that. मतलब ये वो जमाना था जब रील्स भी शुरू
नहीं थी.
I think that was TikTok का जमाना था.
TikTok पे actually I had an account.
Yes.
We reached 500K plus. And
wow.
TikTok बंद हो गया. That was in Hindi. Same videos हिंदी में.
और अब Instagram पे रील नहीं थी तब.
नहीं, Reels released exactly 1 month after my challenge ended.
Instagram पे क्या था?
Instagram पे कुछ नहीं, IGTV videos.
Wow. This was the time of IGTV videos. बहुत पुराना लगा.
Yes.
But at the time of IGTV videos, when there were hardly any TikTokers, celebrities,
right,
you were one of the first smart content creators of this region that brought this thing ahead. But उससे आप famous हुए.
Right.
But people do not know the life of Rutul before that.
Right.
And that is also very interesting. And I want to uncover some facets of your life before that.
Absolutely.
Celebrity moment, eureka moment of your life.
Correct.
So Rutul, a filmmaker, a hardcore person behind the camera,
right,
an executioner, a business person.
Right.
But ये सब तो आते हैं. But who was Rutul in childhood? Rutul was he inquisitive? Was he curious about things?
Very curious.
इतना ideas कहाँ से लाए भाई?
Irritatingly curious. You know,
Okay.
I used to bug people a lot with questions. My mom was irritated with me, everyone in my family, and I was not afraid to break my bones. Fortunately, अभी तक मेरे कभी fracture हुआ नहीं है. Stitches सब आए हैं. But I was very very fearless. To be very honest, recently I saw this in some Netflix series. There is this particular region of your brain which controls your flight and fright decisions.
Exactly.
If I'm not wrong, if I'm not spelling it wrong, तो वहाँ से you take decisions कि risk कितना लेना है. I think मेरे में थोड़ा malfunction है. कुछ लोचा है अंदर, because I genuinely, मतलब मेरा ऐसा, to be very honest, for example, I have a very bad habit of texting sometimes while driving. तो अगर hypothetically मेरा accident हो भी गया, बड़ा नहीं हुआ for example, तो गाड़ी ठुक गई ना, मैं तो अपना टेक्स्ट पहले खत्म करूंगा फिर बाहर निकलूंगा. I am not that person. Oh shit. You would never see this reaction in me because and lately I have been seeing that as a problem. But childhood में भी ये चीज़ थी. I used to come with a bruised knee or a bruised elbow every alternate day. And वो मोस्टली क्यूरियोसिटी में ही होता था कि ये कुत्ते ने ये उसके साथ उसका ये दिस डॉग इज हैंगिंग अराउंड विद दैट डॉग एंड यू मोस्टली अराउंड एनिमल्स. दिस ट्री इज टेढ़ा, इस पे चढ़ेंगे तो क्या होगा, ये टूटेगा नहीं टूटेगा. आई यूज्ड टू जंप डाउन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट सेकंड फ्लोर्स विदाउट थिंकिंग. नीचे मिट्टी होती थी ऑफ कोर्स, नॉट ऑन द स्टोन्स, बट आई हैव डन दैट.
But you were too fearless to.
Too fearless. अभी थोड़ा काम हो गया हूँ. Physically I am not taking such risks.
आप अभी तक काम नहीं हो गए हो.
But mentally I am taking all those risks.
You have been taking every risk that anyone would not want to go there. मतलब कोई अगर बोलते हैं उधर नहीं जाना है तो Rutul would be the first person to go there. I know that.
I have this very bad habit of standing on the edges everywhere.
Yeah.
If there's a swimming pool or maybe stairs, तो मैं always है ना, मेरा आधा पैर वो edge के बाहर होगा.
और ये literally भी है और metaphorically भी है.
दोनों में. Yes. And पता नहीं सुकून मिलता है. मैं जैसे अभी ये प्लास्टिक की चेयर होती है ना, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वुड हैव बीन वो 45 डिग्री पे बैठा होता हूँ अभी वो, एंड आई वुड बी ट्राइंग टू बैलेंस माई फीट ऑन दैट. सो ये सब चलता रहता है एंड इट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स मी, इट कीप्स मी आउट ऑफ बोर्डम, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई गेट बोर्ड वेरी फास्ट But
And that's a problem that a lot of us like viewing this podcast are facing. But I've never seen someone thinking of boredom as an asset. मतलब we'll come to that.
Yes.
But just a point यहाँ पे लोगों को boredom एक liability लगती है कि you are
Right.
doing something wrong.
Right.
But so yeah, good point from your childhood that you were too bored and you were accepting
Correct.
कि मैं जल्दी बोर हो जाता हूँ भाई. Let's
Right.
do something new.
Right,
Maybe
right.
that's why you are what you are.
yeah,
right now.
but now I'm capitalizing it. Not capitalizing, that's even a more subtle word. I'm weaponizing my boredom.
Wow.
I know how to weaponize my boredom.
And that's an asset. मतलब
Yeah, absolutely.
you become
It's like
clear
taking a step back.
Exactly.
And शिकार करने से पहले 2 स्टेप पीछे लो ना, वो बोर्डम है. So that जितना ज़्यादा बोर होंगे ना, उतना ज़्यादा आइडिया का किक आएगा.
I just have one anecdote. मतलब मैंने कहीं I don't know कहाँ पढ़ा था, कहाँ सुना था. I'm not claiming anything, but I've read this one thing कि some coach or someone, some cricket expert said this once कि यार सचिन तेंदुलकर after playing years of cricket, 20 plus years of cricket,
Right.
वो अभी भी क्यों नेट प्रैक्टिस में जाते हैं? वो कोच से भी ज़्यादा जानते हैं कि मुझे ड्राइव ऐसे ही मारना है, मुझे फ्रंट फुट ऐसे ही डालना है. He
Right.
coaches people,
Right.
but then why also he needs a coach? मतलब वो आज भी नेट प्रैक्टिस क्यों करते हैं?
Correct.
The reason is that he needs something different in his practice. How he is so motivated.
Correct.
एक दिन कुछ नया ग्लव पहन लेंगे, एक दिन कुछ नया पैड पहन लेंगे. Small things.
Very small.
And taking that step to break that boredom is very important.
Correct. Correct.
And that is why boredom could be an asset.
Yeah. Sometimes taking a different route to office is also breaking the pattern.
Yeah.
So breaking the pattern is very
So,
important.
Breaking that pattern से एक topic आता है कि रुतुल the inquisitive child, the curious child,
Right.
वहाँ से लेके रुतुल the filmmaker कैसे बने? Did you have any background in filmmaking or did you ever think that you're going to be a filmmaker? Because I know
No.
you have an entrepreneurial family
Yes.
background.
Yes.
So, how did you become
हार्डकोर एंटरप्रेन्योर, नॉट इवन एंटरप्रेन्योर,
A business
इंडस्ट्रियलिज्म वाला
Industrial, हाँ.
बैकग्राउंड है पूरा, एकदम हार्डकोर धंधादारी, मतलब इतने में लेने का इतने में बेचने का वाला धंधा. सो नो, बट आई ऑलवेज एस्पायर्ड बिकॉज बीइंग अ वेरी क्यूरियस चाइल्ड, फिल्म मेकिंग वाज समथिंग दैट यूज्ड टू fascinate me a lot. Music and everything. Like for example, Tushar Kapoor dying in one film and then coming back in another film was very
Yeah.
interesting to me as a 4-year-old. कि मम्मी ये तो मर गया था, ये क्या हुआ इसके साथ. सो दैट क्यूरियोसिटी इवॉल्व विद टाइम. 4 साल पे कुछ अलग क्वेश्चन, 5वें साल पे कुछ अलग क्वेश्चन, 8 साल पे कुछ अलग क्वेश्चन. तो वैसे वैसे धीरे धीरे फिल्म्स आर समथिंग दैट आई हैव ऑलवेज, एंड फिल्म से मैं कभी बोर नहीं होता. आई हैव वॉच्ड कोई मिल गया मोर देन 200 times. Entire film from top to bottom. It was my favorite film in my childhood. It still is one of the favorite films.
Yeah, it is.
I love it. It's comfort zone.
It's a-
तो
yeah.
देखने में मजा आता है. So and Hrithik Roshan is my all-time idol. So वो करते धीरे धीरे कहीं ना कहीं वो फिल्म मेकिंग के वो क्रिएट करने की चुल भी क्रिएट हो गई कि ये ठीक है, ये जादू अभी मुझे भी क्रिएट करना है किसी और के लिए. So there were a couple of films in between 2010 to 2013 who motivated me like hell in life. Be it Baag Milkha Baag, be it Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, be it Wake Up Sid, be it Three Idiots. There were these pretty iconic films जो 2010 to 13 के 9 to 13 के बीच में.
मतलब you were not different. You were very normal because let me tell you, every 90s kid
Right.
would want to be in that film,
Correct.
creating that thing.
But मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव अलग था. So I was so fascinated with those movies कि मुझे वो जो मैजिक मैंने फील किया था. Like I still remember crying in my room doing my हिंदी का homework about while remembering My Name Is Khan का एक scene, नूरे खुदा का song at the age of 7. In 7th grade basically.
Yeah.
So that is around 11th or
Correct.
12 or 13 of my
12,
age.
yeah.
So उस एज में भी वो चीज़ होती थी मुझसे बिकॉज कुछ अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं है. अभी डेप्थ तो अभी समझ में आई उस फिल्म की. उस टाइम पे तो क्या था कि ये इसको कुछ करना है बट नहीं मिल रहा है. ही इज अलोन इन लाइफ. बस वही इमोशन था. तो वो मैजिक जो मुझे फील हुआ ना, सो दैट वाज सो इमोशनली ट्रिगरिंग. आई स्टार्टेड क्रेविंग कि जो यही मैजिक मुझे किसी और के लिए क्रिएट करना है एंड वो मैजिक के पीछे मेरा नाम होना चाहिए. दैट आई क्रिएटेड दिस मैजिक. So I am very fascinated with magic, and so to say, filmmaking is my magic wand to create. Camera is my magic wand to be able to create that music, to craft those series of illusions.
And I've seen you creating that film.
Yes.
So from my perspective, I just want to add one more point to your answer is that you are not looking at film as a business.
No.
A lot of people who want to be filmmakers,
Right.
they want to do the business of filmmaking.
Correct,
And
correct,
you do not want to do that.
No,
You want to
absolutely
just
not.
enjoy while operating that camera, while
Yeah,
giving
yeah.
those messages to the actors.
True.
I've seen you that way.
वैसे मैं बहुत प्रॉफिट लॉस दिमाग में रखता हूँ,
Yeah,
बट फिल्म मेकिंग में वो चला
filmmaking.
जाता है, फिल्म मेकिंग के टाइम पे, म्यूजिक मेकिंग के टाइम पे वो चला जाता है. देयर आर मेनी प्रोजेक्ट्स वो आई डू फॉर फ्री. मतलब ऐसे हो जाता है ना कि ये चीज़ बन गई है, ये सॉन्ग बन गया है, देन वो अप्रूव नहीं भी होता ना तो भी आई एम लाइक अरे फ्री में ले ले, बट ये बाहर आना चाहिए. Because I've created it, so I'm very desperate. Desperate is the word that I'll use. Emphasize desperate to get my ideas out in any other. अगर मैं execute करूँ या कोई और execute करे, because वो चुल है कि ये मेरा creation है, मेरा magic है, and it needs to have an impact. So yeah.
So like you said, कि film is like a passion film.
Yeah.
So I'm going to straight go to, I mean I'm going to on that red button. वो
Right.
धमाल में ना कि वो button नहीं दबाना था. So I'm going there.
Right.
How do you feel when you see your passion dying? Not by you, but by a lot of external environment.
It's not dying.
I'll get to the point. What do you feel about the ban culture of films? What do you feel when your films are being compared and the success measure is money, the success measure is box office collection, South versus
Right.
Bollywood का जो debate चल रहा है, ये सबसे I feel personally feel ये industry को बहुत बड़ा impact कर रहा है. We are going
Right.
in a negative direction. How do you feel about that?
I feel pity for the audience. Like you are losing out on the magic. To be very honest, and this is a dip. To be very honest, कहीं ना कहीं every 10-15 years में entertainment industry में has seen a dip. अभी वो मे बी कोई social problems की वजह से हो, या फिर ऐसे कोई medical biological problems की वजह से हो, something like corona, या फिर ऐसे कोई Twitter threads की वजह से हो, ऐसा होने ही वाला है कि कहीं ना कहीं there is going to be a dip, but जब भी dip आता है सामने उतना भी आता है. It's the rule of the world. So recession के बाद there is going to be boom in the market.
Correct.
So there is going to be a time, forms change होंगे, platforms change होंगे, art forms change होंगे, but magic नहीं जाएगा. Because ultimately we as human beings thrive for only storytelling. After food, after basic necessities, what do we live for? Stories.
Yes.
So if you, and filmmaking is the most magical way
Correct.
to do it. Of course, books is something that is also there, but वो different चीज़ है. Filmmaking books को compare नहीं कर सकते हो आप. Visual audio medium is always going to be, more connected to our basic survival instinct.
Yes, yes.
Because that is being fed to us. Books read करते करते we are creating our own magic. वहाँ पे created magic को perceive कर रहे हैं. So community, what I am sad about is कि community viewing die हो रहा है.
And what do you mean by community?
Theaters are dying down, and that is very sad. Reason being कि आज sitting with 100 people, 200 people in a dark room, not knowing them, strangers actually, and still enjoying a film and whistling with them, या फिर not even whistling, crying with them, gasping with them, या फिर getting bored with them, anything. Boring films are also necessary, ज़रूरी है वो भी,
And why
क्योंकि
is that?
because तभी तो आप अच्छी फिल्म आएगी तो उसको अप्रिशिएट करोगे. बिकॉज आज कोई बोरिंग फिल्म बना रहा है, कोई इसी इंटेंशन से तो नहीं बना रहा है कि बोरिंग बनाऊंगा मैं कुछ. एवरीवन वांट्स टू क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू, एवरीवन वांट्स, भले पैसे के लिए कर रहे हो, पैसे के लिए करते करते भी यू आल्सो वांट कि तुम्हारा कुछ अच्छा बने, बिकॉज एवरीवन नोज कि ऑडियंस को पसंद नहीं आएगा तो पैसा भी नहीं कमाने वाले हो. सो इंटेंशन अल्टीमेटली तो कहीं है कि ऑडियंस को पसंद आए. यू कांट शाई अवे फ्रॉम दैट. एंड तो बोरिंग फिल्म जब लग रही है कोई, तो किसी ने ऐसा तो नहीं सोचा अरे ऑडियंस को नहीं पसंद आएगी ऐसी फिल्म बनाते हैं, कोई नहीं बनाता ऐसा. सो ज़रूरी है बोरिंग फिल्म कोई देखेगा तभी जाके पता चलेगा इफ दिस इज़ नॉट वर्किंग, व्हाट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. इट इज़ ऑल्सो, आज आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम मैनी बोरिंग फिल्म्स कि किस तरीके कौन सी चीज़ें मुझे अवॉइड करनी है एज अ फिल्म मेकर, एंड एट द सेम टाइम आई हैव ऑल्सो लर्न एज एन ऑडियंस कि कैसी फिल्म्स मुझे
कंज्यूम करनी है.
सो इट्स नेसेसरी, नॉट एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी मेरी एंड गुड.
But so what I'm trying to talk about is कि जैसे बैन कल्चर चल रहा है, it is impacting the industry right now. A lot of good films are halted, मतलब वो बन नहीं रही.
True.
My point is कि society and movies का बहुत बड़ा relation है. I am a firm believer of that कि जो सोसाइटी पे डिपिक्ट हो रहा है वो मूवीज में डिपिक्ट होगा, और जो मूवीज में डिपिक्ट हो रहा है वो सोसाइटी में डिपिक्ट होने वाला है.
True.
Is this cycle continues?
Influence
रहने वाला है.
Right.
बट डू यू फील कि यार इस सोसाइटी पे बहुत बड़ा इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है? लाइक ऑन एन इंडिविजुअल लेवल मुझे व्यूइंग पे इम्पैक्ट आ रहा है, दैट्स ओके, बट ऑन अ सोसाइटी लेवल दैट बैन कल्चर इज रियली फ्राइटनिंग.
But this ban culture is not limited to films. It's for everything on social media. It's basically a con of over communication, which is social media. सब लोग, everyone is connected to everyone now. So what basically abhi social media is not a place to share or express, it's a place to perform for everyone.
Exactly.
And everyone wants to perform. कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स तो अपना कर लेते हैं, बट जो कंटेंट क्रिएट नहीं कर रहा है, दे आर परफॉर्मिंग इन कमेंट्स, दे आर ट्राइंग टू बी स्मार्ट इन कमेंट्स. एंड जब भी स्मार्ट बन रहे हो आप, स्मार्ट किस चीज़ से बनोगे? जब किसी को गलत प्रूव करना है, या फिर गलत प्रूव इन द सेंस, चलो उतना नेगेटिव तरीके से ना ले, समथिंग लाइक कि इसके बदले ये होना चाहिए, या फिर इसका अपग्रेडेड वर्जन होना चाहिए, ओनली देन आई एम गोना लुक स्मार्ट. अभी ये चीज़ में सबका एजुकेशन लेवल अलग है, सबका इकोनॉमिकल बैकग्राउंड अलग है, सबके मिक्स ऑफ ओपिनियंस आ रहे हैं हर चीज़ के बारे में, everything, be it Kim Kardashian's dress,
Correct.
be it your podcast, be it a film,
Correct.
or be it just a beach in Maldives.
करेक्ट.
कुछ भी, सब चीज़ों के बारे में ओपिनियन आ रहे हैं. एनिमल्स के बारे में भी ओपिनियंस आ रहे हैं. लाइक आई हैव सीन पोस्ट्स जहाँ पे एनिमल क्रूअल्टी हो रही है, देयर आर पीपल सपोर्टिंग दैट कि मेरे सोसाइटी में भी ये प्रॉब्लम है. लाइक आप समझो ना, आई फील पिटी फॉर देम. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ देम, आई एम नॉट एंग्री विद देम, आई पिटी देम कि यार अभी वो स्टेज पे लाइफ में वो पहुंचा ही नहीं है जहाँ वो ये जो बेसिक सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट है ना कि मैं सबसे स्मार्ट, द डेस्परेट नीड, द डेस्परेट इंस्टिंक्ट टू बी द अल्फा इन द ग्रुप, ये अभी भी उनके अंदर है.
करेक्ट.
So they are not familiar with the concept of collaboration in the world, collaboration over competition.
Exactly.
They are not familiar with the concept कि everyone is unique and we should appreciate that. So time है, वो बच्चे, treat them like kids, सीखेंगे, ठीक है. And the day and never मैं भी ऐसा करता था, कभी ना कभी कमेंट्स में मैं भी उनको, I had a habit, there was a period 6-7 महीने का जहाँ हर करण जौहर के पेज पे या फिर हर बॉलीवुड, इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड के पेज पे जाके जो भी नेगेटिव कमेंट्स लिख रहा ना किसी भी आर्टिस्ट के बारे में, फिल्म्स नहीं, आर्टिस्ट के बारे में भी, मैं उसको रिप्लाई बैक करता था विद इवन मोर अग्रेसिव कमेंट्स. तो कहीं ना कहीं मुझे रियलाइज होने वाला था कि नॉट दैट पर्सन बिहाइंड, सिटिंग बिहाइंड अ वॉल इज नॉट नेवर गोइंग टू थिंक कि अरे हाँ यार सही बोल रहा है, आई चेंज माई
He's
लाइफ.
only going to get the attention,
करेक्ट,
and he's going to enjoy that.
correct. That's what he is waiting for. That's exactly what he's waiting for another opportunity to act even smarter. He's getting another opportunity which is me कि अरे अभी इससे भी स्मार्ट बन के दिखाता हूँ मैं. So then he'll go on Google, type random facts, not understanding कि Google पे आधी चीज़ें प्रोपोगेंडा होती है, and वो सब उठा के मिक्स मैच इधर उधर कॉन्टेक्स्ट का रैंडम करके खुद लॉयर बन के आ जाएगा with random facts. And that's going to continue, it's never ending, no one's going to accept the debate. So I have resorted to a very simple line, I hope you find light in life. And especially मैं तो ब्रह्मास्त्र के कमेंट्स में तो यही लिखता था, I hope you find light in life, wish you best of luck. Simple, यही, जितना भी नेगेटिव लिखना हो लिखो, क्या करने वाले हो.
The sad part is that people want to be smart in debates. They don't want to be smart in facts.
True.
And that is a sad reality. और जो
True.
And I am very afraid of this culture.
Right.
But people like you are very hopeful that it will change.
It will change. It will never change. रहेगा. It will always be there because over communication अभी होने ही वाला है.
Correct.
Communication
It's only going to increase.
It's only going to increase, but at the same time we have to make sure कि the positives on the social media, the positive comments, the positive posts need more attention.
Exactly.
So make sure कि कभी भी कुछ positive देखो social media पे, heart it. Give it a comment. Something like maybe emoticon comment कर दो. Give it more reach. That's all you can do to avoid this ban culture in this era.
Exactly.
Simple.
Okay. Let's cut this and let's go to one of the most firing passion of you. That is music. So before that, उसका context is कि you have been a filmmaker. So
Right.
आपने movies
Correct.
produce की है, देखी है, direct की है.
Right.
You've been a content creator, so you know
Right.
how to create content by yourself.
Right.
The next challenge that you've taken is mind-boggling and very very difficult for someone like me to
Right.
accept कि यार कैसे कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है. I'm sorry to be that
No, of
aggressive,
course.
but it's truly exceptional what you're doing right now.
Thank you.
And for context, I would want my audience to listen to this. कि Rutul is not a filmmaker also. He's now a music composer. And let me be very clear, he doesn't have knowledge in music. He doesn't have technical knowledge in music. If I'm
Zero.
He doesn't know what chords are,
Nothing.
notes कैसे होते हैं, सुर क्या होता है.
कुछ नहीं पता
He
है.
only
सारे गामा अभी 4 दिन पहले मुझे पता चला कि सारे गामा पधनीसा सानी धामा पगरेसा. If I'm not wrong, शायद इसमें भी गलती हो सकती है.
तो भाई my question is one, बहुत simple question है कि कैसे म्यूजिक कंपोज करते हो, कैसे कर लेते हो.
Right.
Just take us through that process.
So it's like it's not necessary to know the fonts to communicate.
वाह,
Simple.
एक बार और.
It's not necessary to know fonts to communicate. Fonts are just a way of presenting your communication.
Amazing.
It's a way. Communication वैसे भी हो सकता है simply कि ये चीज़ बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं. This is what I want to communicate through my song, through my lyrics. Simple. अच्छा, and the best part about music is there's no right or wrong.
Correct.
No one can tell me कि ये गलत है. In the terms of technically गलत चीज़ें हो सकती है.
Correct.
which is not my problem because I don't know a shit
Correct,
about it.
exactly.
But no one can tell me melody गलत है. No one can tell me lyrics गलत है. मेरे दिमाग में सही है. As per my experience, it's very subjective. So communication is subjective. So that's why, and I've made a pact with myself as of now. I hope I don't break it ever. I'm never gonna learn the technicalities because I'm a huge overthinker. And as I told, I have found solace in not knowing things. So I'm gonna keep it that
Just
way.
to cut it, how many songs have you composed so far?
I'm on the 19th song right
And
now.
what is your target again?
100.
100 idea हो गए?
100 idea हो गया.
100 songs
Songs
होने
हो
वाले?
गया.
आगे क्या है भाई?
पता नहीं, देखते हैं. Let's see. Let's go with the flow.
But I want to ask you one question यहाँ पे कि is music your passion? I know that music is your passion.
Yeah.
But do you see any business behind it? Because
Absolutely.
I am very sure that the next generation is going to thrive on media.
Absolutely.
And music is one of the forms that is going to break rockets. Like
Absolutely. कोई भी virtual reality हो या फिर 2-dimensional cinema हो या फिर iWatch में मूवी देखना हो, कहीं पे भी कुछ भी फॉर्म में देखो, music is something that is always going to be 50% of your viewing experience. So it's never going to die down.
So
And
what is the business of music?
Simple. You're selling you make music for brands. That is one way. Second, you make music on YouTube. It gets viral. It gets more views. You can monetize it. Third is you make music for record labels. You sell it to them. So there are multiple ways to do it, but ultimately it's all about eyeballs. If your music or your song can get eyeballs for a brand or for yourself or a platform like YouTube, you earn money. Simple. Advertising का पैसा है जो music industry में flow होता है. Simple. So more the eyeballs, more the money. Simple.
And one more facet that we talked about, but like I want to share this with the audience. कि अब ज़माना is not about doing business. It's about collecting the data and selling the data.
Yeah.
So do you think that music का जो आप data इकट्ठा कर रहे हो, आप अपनी Spotify playlist बना रहे हो, अपनी जितनी भी playlist है,
Right.
I am very sure that it is going to be an asset for you. जैसे asset आपको monetize करते रहता है,
Absolutely.
वैसे ही it is going to create wealth for you.
Yeah.
Do you believe with this?
Absolutely. And again, वही चीज़ में कि if the playlist gets more views, hopefully on Spotify, on YouTube, then it's going to help me with more money. Spotify is going to pay me, YouTube's going to pay me.
Exactly.
या फिर कोई अच्छा song बन गया, like out of these 19 songs, there are 3 or 4 songs which I've already sold.
Wow.
और वो brand के लिए full versions बन रहे हैं उसके. And also ये देख के, ये 19 songs देख के भी there are other brand inquiries which are coming in कि आप हमारे लिए भी song बनाओ. So simultaneously वो projects भी चल रहे हैं which are not part of this challenge, which are completely for the brand and they are not going to be in this challenge. So it's monetized in one way or the other.
And there is one thing that you're never going to tell. Rutul being Rutul, वो चीज़ accept नहीं करेगा that he is doing something great. Why I'm telling you is, ये अब music से जो passion अपना बना रहे हो ना, it is not only about you.
Right.
It is about giving hundreds of people around you that opportunity
Correct.
to express themselves. I know
Correct.
a lot of people जिनको आपने chance दिया है through your music. I am very sure you know that.
Yeah, of course.
And you have number 1, number 2, आप जिनके बारे में music बनाते हो, you're giving their story a chance to go to masses यार.
Yeah.
So in a way, for me, you're creating a community, and you're not knowing it also.
True.
कि आप
Stories.
community बना रहे हो.
Ultimately, it's all about stories.
Yeah, exactly.
Music is just another medium.
Form of story. Yeah.
True.
So from this music, the most important thing of your music is creativity, is brainstorming. Like you brainstorm. Sorry.
Yes.
Brainstorming and ideation part of it.
Correct.
So Rutul being Rutul, you are an ideator.
Right.
How do you ideate? What is your process of creating? What is your creative process?
There is no. My creative process is, to be very honest, very basic. Like there are few elements in my routine which I follow. There are few patterns which I follow. Like for example, coffee. For example, I don't drink coffee every day.
Okay.
Only twice a week.
Okay.
And minimum rest, because जब भी पीऊँ तब उसका हाई आना चाहिए. If I do it every day,
आदत
then
लग जाएगी
I
फिर।
lose it. I lose that high. Then I need more quantity every single time. And कितना भी quantity करो, there's going to be a dead end. Right? So
Exactly.
I'm going to get dependent on it. So that is example कि अगर मैं 1 to 2 PM के बीच में अगर black coffee लेता हूँ, ideally between Monday to Wednesday, then there are chances that I'm going to get that high between 9 PM to 12 PM. 12 AM in midnight.
Wow.
So I've seen this pattern. So ऐसी बहुत सारी routine में छोटी मोटी patterns है. Of course creative process की कोई pattern नहीं है कि मैं इस तरीके से ये करूँगा या वो करूँगा तो music आएगा. But to get in that right mindset, like if I have to write an emotional song, if I have to be emotional at night, then I have to start preparing in the morning.
Okay.
I have to complete all my work. If there is अगर बहुत सारा काम बाकी है तो रात को space ही नहीं होगा वो emotional
Exactly.
होने का.
हाँ.
It's like that. So जो भी patterns है मेरी creative process is attached to my routine. छोटी छोटी चीज़ें. And वो चीज़ें से drive होता है मेरा emotion. And then emotion does all the work. Because emotion is energy. And energy is music.
What you're trying to say is that आप रिजल्ट पे फोकस नहीं, मतलब वो अब उस चीज़ पे एग्जीक्यूशन पे फोकस नहीं करो.
No.
You're trying to just create an environment
True.
जिसमें वो चीज़ हो सके.
Correct.
हो गई तो ठीक है,
हाँ,
नहीं हुई तो
नहीं
you
हुई
try
तो
it again.
Again. Yes.
So for people who are listening to this podcast, watching this video, what is that one advice that you want to give कि अगर उनको भी कुछ creative करना है,
Right.
what is one or two tips that Rutul might share?
Stop judging quantity over quality. Always. Stop judging your art. I have another problem also. I'm very bad at judgments. अगर कोई song अच्छा होता है और कोई song बुरा होता है तो it's very hard for me to creatively segregate कि ये क्यों अच्छा है और ये क्यों बुरा है. I'm very bad at judgment because I'm way too liberal in life. कि सब अच्छा ही तो होता है यार, क्या इसमें क्या बुरा है.
Exactly.
It just didn't click with more people.
Yeah.
Simple, right? तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं song बुरा है. That song might be more relevant. So I'll give you a very recent example. Right now, this song Jimmy,
Yeah,
Aja,
yeah.
Aja. It's trending in China. It was made 30 years back
Wow.
by Bappida, and it's trending in China on TikTok right now. No, not TikTok. उनका Chinese version of TikTok.
Obviously.
So
But-
you never know कहाँ पे कौन सी situation में कौन सा art form work कर जाए. So just keep creating. I never reject any of my song. Never. First thought जो भी आया बना दो, बना के रख दो. Publish करना नहीं करना that is secondary. बनाना है, produce करना, publish करना secondary है. But जो भी निकलता है वो निकालो. Simple.
But I mean, उसके लिए you need a lot of mental conviction to
Yeah.
do that. You know.
Not to be very honest, not conviction. Just a belief, just a very simple belief कि possible है, ये कर सकता हूँ. Something like music, I'm trying to forcefully promote this entire concept कि music as an industry should not be money driven. It should be people driven. Reason being communism आना चाहिए म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में. रीजन बीइंग एवरीवन शुड बी म्यूजिशियन. यू नेवर नो कौन सा किसका गाना कहाँ पे रेजोनेट कर जाए. राइट. सो
Yeah.
ऑफ कोर्स पैसा रहने ही वाला है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू लिव इन अ फ्री वर्ल्ड.
Yeah.
उस तरीके से एवरीवनस गोना एक्सपेक्ट रिटर्न्स इन. बट क्रिएट करने में प्रॉब्लम क्या है. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि रिटर्न्स के लिए ही क्रिएट करना है. लाइक आई वांट कि मेरी मॉम भी म्यूजिक क्रिएट कर रही हो, मेरे डैड भी कर रहे हो, माय फियांसे इज आल्सो डूइंग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कि 100 सॉन्ग्स बनाओ. One song in your entire life, बनाओ ना. Who are you fearing? There are music producers, there are technical experts. Just pay them few $1,000 as per your budget.
Yeah.
Gather some money, get it produced. Simple. But लिखने में problem क्या है? They'll help you in the production and the
Correct.
final
Correct.
delivery. But खुद से अंदर से बाहर words तो वो लोग निकालने में नहीं आने वाले ना. वो निकालो ना words. नहीं बैठ रहा rhyming, कुछ नहीं बैठ रहा, कोई बात नहीं, कोई rhyme नहीं होता. There are so many raps जहाँ पे कोई rhyme नहीं होता है. So it's okay. Just keep creating because quantity is always going to be above quality for me.
I am a firm believer of that. Even I made a video on that. Quantity is better than quality.
Yes.
But my point is, my question is, through that discussion, you're saying कि एक video बनाना, एक music बनाना चाहिए.
Right.
Ideally, you're talking about bringing the forces of universe together
Correct.
in your
Correct.
output,
Right.
and then just doing it.
True.
Do what the universe tells you to do.
True.
So from that, I want to understand how do you actually believe in the forces of universe, energies of
Absolutely.
universe?
I promote that. I don't believe just believe.
So you're a
that.
spiritual person.
Absolutely.
So tell me something about what made you. आपको क्यों लग रहा है कि आप spiritual हो? Has anything happened to you? A few incidents of your life?
A lot. Many,
Like-
many. So my manifestation these days is way too active. Like I'll give you one simple example. No names attached, but this is very true. So there is this art fest which is happening in Ahmedabad,
Okay.
and I saw about it on some Instagram page.
Correct.
I reached out to that page, told them, asked them कि इनका नाम क्या है, because apparently I had a song जो शायद मैच हो रहा था
Okay.
उनके थीम के साथ, and I wanted to pitch that song. But that marketing page did not have उनका नंबर, कुछ पता नहीं था, मतलब
Okay.
करेक्ट पर्सन का नंबर नहीं था. 48 hours later, through some of my close persons, दूर का relative का friend comes to me कि मेरे boss handles this event and they want a song for that in 48 hours. This is the most recent example, and this is just one of many examples in last 1 year. But ये कब शुरू हुआ में, because I started believing in manifestation 10 years back. It all started with Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep Maheshwari era, when the only motivational
Correct.
speaker on
Was
internet
Sandeep Maheshwari.
was Sandeep Maheshwari.
And I still follow him.
Yes.
He's everyone's go-to
He's very
guy.
confident. He's very.
Yeah.
He might be cliche, but he's cliche to us because we have been listening to him over so many
Exactly.
years. There are many people who are discovering him right now.
हाँ.
Na? So for them he is the beginner's guide ना. तो ज़रूरी प्रोसेस है, हर लेवल पे यू नीड अ टीचर, बिगिनिंग में भी चाहिए और एंड में भी चाहिए, मास्टर में भी चाहिए, सबका अपना जोन होता है. सो ही वॉज माई फर्स्ट टीचर एंड आई डिड नॉट डिस्कवरिंग माई सेल्फ. मेरे स्कूल में उसका देयर वाज दिस वीडियो दैट वाज प्लेड, दैट इज़ व्हेन आई डिस्कवर्ड हिम. देन स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली अवेयरनेस, मैनिफेस्टेशन, वन बाय वन, एंड ओवर ईयर्स मैनिफेस्टेशन में मेरा बिलीफ इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग हो गया है. ये तो मैंने जो अभी किस्सा बताया ना, दिस इज़ peanuts in front of another incident.
You want to share that?
I would love to, but no names again
No names,
involved.
no names, yeah.
So I have this habit. There is this particular place जहाँ पे मेरी midnight craving है ना. I never get hungry for food at
Okay.
night. I get hungry for this one particular dish, which is gotara.
Okay.
Which is mix of veggies and with bread and everything.
Yeah.
डोसा का gotara
Yeah,
हो गया या किसी something like that. एंड वो एक ही लॉरी है अहमदाबाद में, वहाँ का मैं खाता हूँ नियर जाइडस. एंड आई हैव बीन ईटिंग देयर 3-4 साल से, बट नॉट वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली, लाइक वंस अ मंथ, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो सेम कॉफ़ी जैसा ही है कि वो चाम चला जाएगा, बहुत खाऊंगा तो. सो देयर इज़ दिस वन फाइन डे आई फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एवर ऐसा हुआ कि मुझे इतनी तीव्र इच्छा हुई कि अभी 2 दिन पहले ही खाया था, यूजुअली कभी होता नहीं है, कि फिर से खाना है. मैं घर पहुँच गया कि चलो आज नहीं, टू लेट, इट्स 1:30 इन द नाइट. मैं वहाँ घर पहुँच गया, घर पे नहा धो लिया, सब कुछ. आई वॉज ऑलमोस्ट इन माई बेड एंड फिर लाइक नहीं यार, कंट्रोल नहीं हुआ, आई हैव टू गो. आई वेंट. नाउ कट टू, ये था अभी मैं फ्लैशबैक में जा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
सिंस लास्ट 1 week आई हैड बीन ट्राइंग टू मीट 2 people सेपरेटली, 2 different stories. देयर वाज दिस वन पर्सन इन मार्केटिंग, वन पर्सन इन म्यूजिक. दोनों को मैं मिलने की कोशिश कर रहा था, एक सामने से भी मिल रहा था, बट स्केड्यूल नहीं हो रहा था, सेट ही नहीं हो रहा था.
Okay.
एंड दोनों का इसका हो रहा है इंडिविजुअली, इन दोनों को साथ में नहीं मिलना था, कुछ काम नहीं था. एंड वन ऑफ द पर्सन को तो मैं कभी मिला भी नहीं था, बट आई वांटेड कि ऐसे ही था कि इनको मिलना है कभी, दिस पर्सन इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. दैट नाइट व्हेन आई रीच वहाँ पे, एंड दिस वाज एक लास्ट 1 week से दोनों के साथ रीस्केड्यूलिंग हो रहा था. व्हेन आई रीच दैट प्लेस फूड का लॉरी, इफ आई वुड हैव रीच्ड 1 minute लेट, those people would have left. दोनों साथ में थे वहाँ पे, मीटिंग कर रहे थे, एंड दे कॉल्ड मी सामने से, अरे रुतुल, दिस इज मैनिफेस्टेशन. सिंपल. इतना तो बड़ा कोइंसिडेंस कैसे हो सकता है? लाइक लिटरली दैट एनर्जी वाज फोर्सिंग माय क्रेविंग एट 1:30 इन द नाइट, व्हिच वाज नियर टू इम्पॉसिबल कि 2 दिन के बाद ही हो. घर जाके भी मैं आई हैड टू कम बैक, एंड मैं 1 minute लेट होता ना, दे वर लीविंग, दे वर ऑलमोस्ट सिटिंग इन द कार, बिल भी पे हो गया था. तो ये चला जाता है. सो दैट डे फिर एकदम, सो ऐसे बहुत सारे किस्से हुए कि जहाँ पे विद एवरी किस्सा माई बिलीफ इन मैनिफेस्टेशन strengthens, my belief in us, all of us living in a simulation, and all of us living in a same neural network, all our minds being connected, is getting strengthened day by day.
I am speechless. This incident, मतलब कैसे हो सकता है यार ऐसा?
It's possible. There are many. मतलब I can do 10 hours of podcast on such incidents.
I would love to
बहुत
have
हुआ
that in 10 different
Done,
episodes.
done.
But I just want to talk to you about one thing, and then we move to the last segment
Right.
of this. कि you talk a lot about spirituality,
Correct.
such forces of nature.
Right.
यार आई पर्सनली फील अगर बंदा इन चीज़ों के बारे में बात करता है दैट मीन्स उनको उसके साथ एक्सपोजर है ऑन अ हायर लेवल.
Correct.
अब वो एक्सपोजर दो चीज़ों से आता है. एक तो यू आर एक्चुअली वेरी पॉजिटिव, आपको नॉलेज है. सेकेंड, इंसान कोई रफ पैच से जाता है. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ अस इन दिस जनरेशन आर गोइंग इन द सेकेंड वन. हैव यू हैड एनी रफ पैच इन योर लाइफ दैट हैज मेड यू फील you were shattered? मतलब उसके बाद अगर something has happened and that has made you believe?
Fortunately, no. You wouldn't believe that, but I've never had a rough patch in my life.
Wow.
Never ever. I'm way too lucky.
Okay.
I really consider myself to be the guy who's born with the golden spoon, because I'm very privileged financially. My family's privileged. I'm privileged with my beliefs. I'm privileged with my environment. It's not always about the money also.
Yeah.
The kind of
it's
people that
only
you grow
about
up with.
environment.
It's about that. So I'm very privileged on all four fronts. With my fiance, the person who I found, who I'm marrying next month.
Yeah. I'm coming to that.
So everything, everyone, all my friends, my professional connections, the fields that I've been into, and where I'm heading, all my dreams, the kind of energy that I live with, the kind of beliefs that I live with, सब कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा too good to be true. So I really don't know कि the most shattering phase of my life I think was when it is always when one of my pets die. Like I
know.
foster many strays.
Correct.
So one of them dies, but not very long. एक दो दिन they are very disturbing. So I really don't show that, to be very honest. I have a problem. I cannot cry. I cry very easily through music, through films, when it is about another character, but when it is about me, नहीं आता है, निकलता ही नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं कुछ अंदर दबा हुआ है और निकालना एक दिन निकलेगा, ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं अंदर. Way too logical to cry.
I've never seen such a straightforward, such a sorted बंदा ever. मतलब
I'm very sorted.
That's one word for you.
And I'm very, to be very honest, my parents, my fiance tell me कि ये सब चीज़ें बाहर नहीं बोलते, नजर लग जाती है.
Yeah.
नहीं लगती है. रीजन बीइंग कि ये चीज़ मैं सालों से बोलते आ रहा हूँ और उसी वजह से ये स्ट्रांग होता जा रहा है. My belief is way too strong to be broken now. That I'm way too lucky in life. So yeah.
We'll just go to the last segment of the podcast, but which is the most interesting for you.
Okay.
The one blessing of universe that you have, your fiance.
Yes.
For the audience, I just want to give a context. You work with your fiance in a
Right.
business. Very interesting concept. But how is it? One question is कि fiance के साथ business run करना.
Right.
And how good is that? What are the pros and cons of that? But more importantly, आपने एक वीडियो शेयर किया था. I think it was for your engagement.
Right.
And it was about talking to a fiance about things
Right.
of love. मतलब what is love?
Right.
और वो वीडियो इतना प्यारा था कि धर्मा shared that video. Dharma
Yes.
Production shared that video, and that
Right.
was one of the most I don't have words. Most lovely video ever.
Thank you.
I've told you about that. कि यार
Yes.
वो वीडियो मैंने 10 बार देखा है.
Right.
So about that video and
Right.
about how is it like to share the forces of universe with your fiance now? You're getting married in the next month.
Yes. So again, as I told in the last segment also, I'm very lucky with my fiance. And उस दिन भी when I had to give that speech, यही फंडा था दिमाग में, keep it simple, to be very honest. So जो था straightforward वही बोला. And to be very honest, in our personal relationship, I'm a very boring person to be with because I'm too self-obsessed. I'm too self-inclusive कि कोई मेरे साथ शायद बैठा हो तो वो बहुत ignored feel करेगा. I'm not very active in conversations. I'm always in my own world.
Correct.
धुनी बोलते हैं गुजराती में उसको, धुनी है ये.
Yeah.
So I'm very much that. And she's bed with me now almost 8 years. So this January we'll be completing 8 years.
Yeah.
And बस तो वैसे करते 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 टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, अगर मैं ये नहीं बिलीव करता ना लाइफ में, बोथ ऑफ अस शेयर दिस कॉमन बिलीफ, अगेन ये बोर्डम वाला जो है कि बोर्डम इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी इन लाइफ एंड इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बोर्डम इज़ नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, इट्स नेसेसरी फॉर बैलेंस. यूजुअली कपल्स वहीं पे ब्रेक हो जाते हैं कि दे आई डोंट हैव एनीथिंग टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट, बट व्हाई कांट यू बी कंफर्टेबल इन साइलेंस? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? Silence is necessary. Why can't you just sit beside each other and scroll in your own phones for 30 minutes, for 2 hours? I'm gonna live with her alone. I'm gonna we've been living almost, अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो हमारे लिए हमारी शादी हो जाएगी. Usually शादी के बाद people spend on an average 6 hours with their fiance in conscious state and बाकी sleeping time पे. हम लोग तो उससे भी ज़्यादा टाइम अभी स्पेंड करते हैं. Reason being, we are working together. Yeah. Our hobbies are same. Whenever I am doing something creative, most of the time she is there to support. In my creative, she is the ghost writer of my first film. With just credits नहीं है उसके, बाकी तो उसने ही आधी चीज़ों में सब साथ में थी. तो we are way too comfortable with each other's company now. That boredom is just a virtue, to be very honest. That boredom is a point of realization कि we are way too comfortable with each other right now.
And I think this belief of yours is making you and your fiance a रब ने बना दी जोड़ी in your Bollywood style.
Yeah, absolutely.
But just last question is कि यार मेरा ये मानना है कि आप you are an ideator, you create ideas for a living.
Right.
But what I also know from you, and you are a strong believer in that, but audience को मुझे ये बताना है कि it is not only about creating ideas. It is about one more thing, which is execution of those ideas.
True. Very true.
And it is those simple things in life. Execution important है.
Right.
That helps you.
Correct.
So I know you execute your ideas a lot.
Right.
But what is that one lesson? What is that one simple lesson about ideas, about anything in your life that you want to share with the audience? And maybe we will we are sharing those messages, those one-liners with our guests, and we will have a wall जहाँ पे ये एक line रखेंगे. That will be memory of your podcast and your learning to me. Like I want to learn from you. Absolutely. And what is that one thing in your life that is?
I have two. I'm very sorry.
Perfect.
One is very technical and other one is little emotional.
Okay.
Number one, technical. Ideas is equal to execution. Stop this debate कि 5% idea होता है 95% execution होता है. मतलब execution क्या होता है? ये टेबल इधर से इधर रखना, right? वो सब कर सकते हैं. बट ये इधर से इधर रखना है या उधर रखना है, व्हाट इज मोर ऑप्टिमल, व्हाट इज मोर एफिशिएंट, दैट इज द आइडिया. सो इट्स इनसेपरेबल. Execution is basically series of hundreds or thousands of ideas, small little micro ideas.
But ideas has to be
but
there.
Ideas, same चीज़ है. ऐसा अभी लोग क्या समझते हैं आइडिया? What if एक ऐसा ऐप होता जहाँ पे फूड डिलीवरी वाला तुम्हारे घर पे डिलीवरी करके जाए? That's Zomato. हाँ, ये आइडिया है, करेक्ट. बट दिस इज नॉट द एंटायर आइडिया जिस पे पूरा जोमेटो बन जाएगा ना.
Exactly.
या फिर स्विगी बन जाएगा.
हजारों
छोटे एग्जीक्यूशन आइडियाज चाहिए, हजारों नहीं लाखों, फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पीपल. सो तब जाके बनता है वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तब जाके वो सर्विस इस वर्ल्ड में एग्जिस्ट करती है. सो आइडियाज इज इक्वल टू एग्जीक्यूशन. स्टॉप दिस डिबेट. एंड एग्जीक्यूशन इज नथिंग विदाउट आइडियाज. दैट इज व्हाट आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव. इट्स इनसेपरेबल. क्या करोगे एग्जीक्यूट कर? इट्स लाइक हार्डवर्क. वो होता है ना, हार्डवर्क स्मार्ट वर्क वाला डिबेट है. ये सेम चीज है. हार्डवर्क तो मैं इधर अभी 10 बर्पीज करूंगा मैं, बट सेंस क्या बन रहा है उसका? there's nothing that I'm doing. Rather if I have to walk to some, I have to reach somewhere, यहाँ से 1 किलोमीटर दूर, तो चल के चले जाओ, सेम कैलोरीज बर्न होने वाली है. That's smart work. यहाँ पे 10 बर्पीज करो फिर गाड़ी में बैठ के जाऊँ, that's hard work. That's stupid. That's wasting double time. So ideas is equal to execution. दूसरा, boredom is the secret to my energy. Yes, and it should be secret to everyone's energy, emotional energy as well as the physical energy. दोनों चीजें. Because bore नहीं होगे, be comfortable with your boredom. Your relationships will get better. Your professional life will get better. Your personal mental health will also get better. Be comfortable. To sit without a phone or maybe with a phone. I'm not very against scrolling. It's okay. Mindless scrolling is also good. Numbing your mind is important. तो वो करो, but be comfortable with it. Don't regret it. Of course, don't do it when you are supposed to do something else. You're on a deadline, but you won't shy away from the fact that you're never going to scroll
Yeah.
or you're never going to get bored.
Yeah.
That expectation is in you.
Is what hurting us.
Is exactly what is hurting us.
I am relating this like at the maximum level because I'm not talking about anyone who is listening to this podcast.
Right.
मैं खुद I feel very guilty of things. जबकि these things are inevitable. ये करना ही पड़ता है.
करना ही पड़ेगा.
I mean, in the world that you live, scrolling is inevitable.
True. I have special days to get bored.
Wow.
कि ये आज का दिन बोर होना है, नई कॉफ़ी पियेंगे, कोई मुझे इमोशनल चार्ज नहीं चाहिए, कुछ नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज मुझे कल ज़रूरत पड़ेगी उसकी. सो सेव दैट एनर्जी, दैट्स अ स्टेप बैक. सिंपल क्लीशे भाषा में बोलूँ तो दैट इज शेर जब 2 स्टेप पीछे लेता है छलांग मारने से पहले. इफ छलांग इज वेंसडे, ट्यूसडे हैज़ टू बी 2 steps बैक. तभी जाके वो छलांग लंबी जाएगी. यू कैन कीप जंपिंग एवरी सिंगल डे.
You can't live with the expectation. You can't live with the burden of your mind.
Correct.
You have to just let go.
Correct.
I'm just sorry to bring this example, which is what Virat Kohli did.
Yes.
And what a way that he did.
correct. And in even every story, connecting it to storytelling का topic also, कि storytelling में भी be it films या फिर be it just one film, उसमें भी boring scenes ज़रूरी है. Silences are important. Music में भी silences are important. Breaks are important. I can't have the chorus बदतमीज न यही चलता रहेगा पूरे song में, तो उसका impact ही नहीं आएगा. Right? There has to be an intro. There has to be a music break जहाँ पे there's nothing of value to take away. But तभी जाके जब value आएगी chorus में, उसका impact बढ़ेगा.
I mean, this explanation was Rutul's expectation. मतलब Rutul का explanation था ये. Why? Because you're a media guy, you're a creative guy.
Yes.
और nothing better than this line to explain this. कि यार जैसे music में भी breaks होते हैं वैसे life में भी breaks.
Music, film, life, stories, everywhere. Breaks are necessary.
Breaks are
And
necessary.
breaks is basically to get bored.
I hope this podcast is not boring for anyone, but it is.
अगर हो तो भी
तो भी
ज़रूरी.
जरूरी है. I mean, this is like the perfect ending to this podcast. I
Right.
think कि boredom जरूरी है.
Yes.
And these 2 lessons that you gave us and gave to the audience, I'm going to write these down on my wall.
Done.
And we are going to cherish this forever in my life. And
Yeah.
that's what I expected out of this podcast. बहुत मजा आया रुतुल.
Thank you
And
so
I'm
much.
very thankful that you did this. and I will be very forcing future में कि एक और podcast करते हैं. एक और बार करते हैं.
10 और करते हैं. Because to be very honest, I'm also a very selfish person.
I know.
Selfish person. Pronunciations, गलत pronunciations भी ज़रूरी है. हम lot of people ask me कि what is your key? इस पे वीडियो बनाना, public speaking कैसे अच्छी है? Be comfortable with wrong pronunciation. Be comfortable with fumbling. It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't cut it out. Don't cut. ये cut मत करना.
मत नहीं करेंगे.
क्योंकि ज़रूरी है ना.
Yeah.
That's what makes me human.
We are natural. मतलब
मैं
कोई
गुजराती
scripted
हूँ
नहीं
तो
है.
स श में प्रॉब्लम होने ही वाला है. आई कांट शाई अवे फ्रॉम दैट. सो इट्स ओके. परफेक्शन इज टू बोरिंग. सो बट वहाँ पे बोरिंग जरूरी नहीं है.
Right. So thank you so much, Rutul.
Thank you.
Wonderful podcast that we had.
Done.
Hope कि हम और बहुत करेंगे.
Many more.
And we'll release this podcast very soon. ये reel के लिए content में ले रहा हूँ, but thank you so much, Rutul. Amazing.
Always
thank
welcome.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks
Thank
a lot.
you. Done.
Perfect.
बहुत मजा है यार.
मजा ही ना. Exact 1 hour.
हुआ.
7:22 we started.
Amazing यार. बहुत मजा.